dkdynamics presents induction heating.
Hello friends, as you know, I am Rob. I've come back with some more new and fascinating projects. So friends, we all have learned about the electromagnetism in our lower classes, and friends, we all know that the electromagnetism is a very wide field of study. So friends, the electromagnetism is used for making electromagnets, as well as for making the electromagnetic waves and for making the electromagnetic induction. So friends, electromagnetic induction is a very popular way of cooking, which is used in the induction cookers to cook the food and is safe and eco-friendly. So friends, electromagnetic induction is also used in the industries for the melting of the metals and for making alloys, as well as for purifying the gold and silver. So friends, this electromagnetic induction reduces the use of the fossil fuels, and hence it also reduces the pollution. So friends, when very high current is passed through the inductor coil, a very high electromagnetic field is developed, and when any metal is placed in this electromagnetic field, the atoms of the metal frequently oscillate and produces heat. When sufficient amount of current is passed in the inductor coil, the metal starts melting due to the excessive accumulation of the heat. So friends, here is our electromagnetic induction, and here is a high frequency oscillator. Here we are having the capacitors of 47 microfarad, and friends, here is the inductor coil, which is made up of 28 gauge copper wire and is of about, and its length of about 3 inches. So friends, now I'm going to turn on the power, and friends, here we are going to insert this like this, and it is going to heat it. So friends, let's wait. So friends, now I'm taking this out, and friends, it's heated very well. So friends, this is a better method of melting the metals, as well as for making alloys, as well as for cooking and various other purposes without using the fossil fuels and without causing the pollution. If you have any queries regarding this project, you can contact us, and for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com. and friends, please keep liking our videos, as your likes are motivating us to make more new videos and to encourage science. So friends, don't forget to like and share our video, and friends, for more new videos, please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the all new videos. So friends, I will be coming back with some more new and fantastic videos. Till then, thank you, goodbye.